Hi guys, so as you probably saw with the nice little intro I've done, yeah, getting more into my collecting, and I thought whenever I get a collection and do things like that, I'll do the video and all that. Well, I've got a double whammy for you. Yesterday I went down into town and went to a local shop called Famous Collections, or Collectors, something like that. I told my mate Matt about the shop, and yeah. Anyway, he popped in yesterday, found it, and I'd gone in, and I found this. Was absolutely gobsmacked. So it's only $12.99, but it is even working. Does that also? We'll just cheat. I won't actually do the full transformation, and also the. Oh, I need to. That's clever. So yeah, as you can see, quite happy I got him. He will be staying in the Miracle mould when I put them back together. So yeah, I'll do that in a minute. Otherwise, I'm missing. Yeah, the other thing is, I ordered something off of eBay, and here it is. Quite a big box. Now, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. It's the only thing I've ordered that I'd have to do this with. So, the box is going to be oversized. So we say, open up the box, lovely packaging, make sure it's safe, and get rid of that. Bought myself the master screwdriver. I must say, still boxed, very happy. And just so you know, you guys, I'm not one of these that buys stuff to keep it in the box, so it becomes worth a lot of money. I do it for my own enjoyment. So, we open up the top. That's instructions. Oh yes, this is going to be fun. Well, you can tell it's going to be fun. I really shouldn't put me back to the camera, but at the end of the day, it can't be helped. So, anyway, let's just take beauty out of the box. Oh, that was nice. Settings. That's nice. Now, is it... Quite happy with that. It's going to be interesting once I've got the batteries in. So yeah, be back in a minute. Right, so I've put the batteries in, and I've got to admit I am quite happy with it. I mean, you've got the nice little turny bit there. Push a button, pops up. And what I like, just click it. See? That is fantastic. Doctors doesn't do it. If you hold, so yeah, it doesn't. I've got to admit. Where is it? I've got one around there. Here it is. 11th Doctors. Yeah, the 9th and 10th Doctor will be next. So yeah, even when not extended, not as big, and when it's extended, it still works. Yeah, with the 11th Doctor, you have to do the button at the bottom unless it's down, and then you can do the one there. Yes, I am aware there's supposed to be hidden sound effects on them, but I'm not going to do it because it breaks. So yeah, we have had the Masters laser screwdriver. I'm very happy. That will sit on my shelf along with my Ravage, Mudflap and my Optimus Prime. So yeah, nice to know you. Try again. Yeah, so even though I had to go out and brave the snow, glad I did. Got my Masters laser screwdriver. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall hopefully talk to you guys again soon.